have to be a rebel. You have to leave on a rebel.
All right, Edward Seaga Primary, formerly Denhamtown Primary, recently copped the top prize in the Jamaica Social Investment Fund's Best Kept School Competition. And with me now to tell us about this are Systems Operation and Environment Manager, Dr. Milton Clark. He's from JSIF. Call it Ferguson, Miss, who teach every single thing in history. And students, Michaela, who's Michaela? There's Michaela. Michaela is the head girl. She's Michaela Campbell, and Alyssa Page is beside her. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Smile.
Thank you.
Miss, forgive me. They usually say ladies first, but I'm going to start with Dr. Clark to get an idea of what we're talking about here.
That is perfect.
Because you were involved in all of this. Tell me what we're talking about, sir.
Okay, so the Best School Competition is funded under the Integrated Community Development Project, the second Integrated Community Development Project from JSIF, right? And it's funded by the government of Jamaica. And the whole idea of the project is to promote long-term sustainability of the investment that we made in the education sector, for example, the improvement in the school plans.
Okay.
And of course, maintenance of these facilities is very critical, and our stakeholders, the groundsmen, the teachers, the students, the parents are very critical in this process, and therefore we developed this program to help to incentivize the stakeholders, to motivate them to promote long-term sustainability of these plans.
Miss, how did you guys know about this competition?
How did we
know about the competition?
Okay, so we got our letter from JSIF. We got a letter outlining everything that we should have in place to be a part of this competition. And the principal, she was so elated, she passed it on to all the senior teachers, and we went ahead, full speed ahead, to ensure that we became a part of this competition.
Yep. I'm going to guess that the school did clean from morning. It's not just because of the competition.
No, sir. We're always clean. We're always up, immaculately kept.
Yeah, and it must. Why? We have a way to put people down because of where
they are, where they're located, and all of that. Can I tell you? But we have proved them wrong.
And this must be a huge plus for the school.
It's a huge plus for the school, and just like what you said, the location and all of that, persons look on that. But Denhamtown, that's where we are. Edward Seaga Primary School, we have proven them wrong straight.
Yeah, man. As the head girl, I have to say, Miss Campbell, how are you?
I'm fine.
How did you help in all of this?
As you know, I'm the head girl. I helped a lot. I ensure that the students take pride in our school core values. We have 4 core values: respect,
You have 4 core values.
Respect, responsibility, communication, and unity. So we have to respect the schoolyard, keep it clean and tidy. We have to be responsible so that it's clean. And communicate positively.
So when you say, Alyssa, now drop a little piece of paper on the ground and don't put it in the bin, what you tell her?
I would tell her to stop doing that and to take it up.
Well, Alyssa don't do that.
No.
Alyssa, you don't do that?
No.
No? How do you help, Alyssa?
I help because the way I help when I'm downstairs, and if my friends are eating, but we're not supposed to eat downstairs. We eat up in our class. So my teacher said I should tell the students to put them in the bin downstairs, and if any of them put it on the floor, I should take it up or tell them to stop. So I help around.
Beautiful. Miss, they're kids. I mean, well, big people do it too. So, I mean, I don't think they want to dirty up the school, but some of them would just drop a little thing here and there. How is the buy-in? Everybody understands and no, this is what you must do and this is what you must.
Everybody understands. Every single person, every stakeholder understands. And so, what have we done to ensure that this is compounded? So right along the side of the school, we have our receptacles, and there is not just 1 and 2, many of them, so the students know that there is a place for them to be put. And in our curriculum delivery, we ensure that this is brought out as well. she spoke about the core values, and this is taught in our action planners, teachers, and right through the facilities, our murals, our rules, everything we have written there, our matrix, they are there to guide the students.
Beautiful. By the way, Edward Seaga Primary School also placed first in the safety management category, third for best recycling project and overall environmental stewardship. And the groundsman, Mr. Donovan Moulton, was awarded second place in the best groundsman category. So, Mr. Clean Up.
Clean up, man. Everybody is a part of this. Every single person.
Yeah, man. I love it. Doc, is this just for primary schools?
Yes, absolutely.
And how did you decide which schools, or did you just throw it out to everyone and a school say, I want to be a part of it?
Well, apparently, the government has pre-selected 10 communities.
Okay.
And 7 of which are Zoso communities. And these are communities that have significant socio-economic issues, of course, crime and violence, high unemployment rate and stuff like those. So the schools, the primary schools that fall in those communities are automatically a part of the competition. Yeah. So that's how the schools were actually
Mr. Kansi say he's a little bossy teacher, you know, but you did surprised that you win this? Were you surprised?
No, we weren't surprised. I wasn't surprised, and neither was anybody else in the school, because that is what we pride ourselves in. When the competition came up, we have a product, so we market it, because we know that we have something to put out
it's
there.
It's interesting. You couldn't say Michaela a while ago, but when I said Mr. Surprise, I said Michaela, I don't know. We're not surprised. You were not surprised that you wanted to go. Why? Why you weren't surprised?
I wasn't surprised because we are able to do many things. Why wouldn't we be able to win this competition?
Yep. Are you from this area, Denham Town?
No. I'm from Tivoli Gardens.
Well, it's close enough.
Yes.
Close enough. And the school, as we said earlier, changed the name. Right. Alyssa, were you surprised that you guys won?
No.
You didn't? No? Oh, this is fantastic. Madam Head Girl, what do you want to be when you, I was going to say get big like me, but I mean, when you become a big lady, what do you want to be?
I want to be a teacher.
A teacher? Oh, wonderful. And we need teachers. You know. What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is language arts.
Language arts. Is that what you want to teach? Or you want to teach everything like me?
Maths.
You want to teach math?
Yes, but my favorite subject is language arts.
But you love math?
No.
Oh, that's why you want to teach it?
Yes.
Alyssa, what you want to be when you get to be a big lady?
I want to be a singer or a runner.
A singer or a runner?
Or that. I'm
But you can be both.
Yeah, I know. I'm talented, so I'm multi-talented. So one person said to me, any opportunity I get first, I should take it.
Oh, fantastic. And is there a runner that you saw that you like?
Yeah.
Who is that person?
Shelley and Fraser.
Oh, there you go. And is that the same event that Mrs. Fraser Price does? Is that what you want to do, 100s and 200?
Yeah.
Oh, fantastic. I love it. All right. What's next for this, sir? This is the end of the competition, or you start again?
Well, for this term, yes. But the JSIF, of course, we're always
What does the school get? Projects. What does the school get? And the other winning schools? Because I know there are other categories, but what does the schools get?
So there were several categories. So, for example, the best groundsman competition, which I think it was St. Andrew Primary. Yeah, St. Andrew Primary.
But what they get? They get money.
The groundsmen, they get a trophy, plus they also get other prizes, so like cell phones and stuff like that. Okay. We provide them those prizes.
Alyssa, do you have a favorite song that you sing?
Yes.
Can you sing a couple lines for us now, or you don't want to?
No.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. Hold on. Do it, because you're going to take us to the break. So don't do it just yet. Congrats, miss. Fantastic stuff.
Very much.
And tell the folks down there we really appreciate what they're doing for the youngsters.
I will do
in
just
that area.
I will do just
named
that.
after the most honorable Eddie Seaga, who was huge in that community. President of the Tivoli Guards Football Club and netballers, was huge in that community. And congratulations. It says a lot, folks, because again, some people think because you come from Western Kingston, not no good and all kind of stuff. Well, them just win. Congrats. Systems Operation and Environment Manager, Dr. Milton Clark. Teacher, Colette Ferguson. Head girl, Michaela Campbell. And the singer who will take us to the break, Alyssa Page. Your time.
Song.
Just like the day that I met you, the day I thought forever. Say you got your lover, but that will last forever. It's cold outside, like why you walk on my life, like why you walk on my life. I remember every time. Oh, these days I feel like you and me. Nothing feel like our first anniversary.
Nice. You know that song too. She was singing with her, no? Is that a school song or what?
No.
I first heard.
I've never heard that
But
song.
she was here, she was singing with her, she knew the words. Alyssa, brilliant.
Yes.
Thanks.
Yes.
Brilliant, you're welcome. Brilliant to everyone here. And thank you, Joseph, for highlighting. We need more of this.
Yes,
Yes.
thank you.
We need more of this.
Absolutely.
We're tired for you, them a beat up picnic and all kind of thing. We need more of this. All right, outstanding. Still to come, an upstander versus a bystander. That's our Manversations discussion. But first, the second edition of News in 5 comes up now. Stay with us, please. Soon.